question for you, Brandon, is about research. Some people believe that they can do it on their own. So they open like some kind of real estate websites and they start looking for properties.
Yes.
What's the real chance for them to find good deal? Or it's much better when you join the buyers club, you have available probably research from other experts.
So first and foremost, most people definitely can buy properties themselves. It's not completely rocket science to buy a property. That's relatively simple. For it to actually be a successful, savvy purchase, that might be a different matter. So we buy data externally because I'm a big believer in objective data. Yeah, and so we think it's worth that investment of the time and money we put into buying that research, because it doesn't guarantee, but it means your chances of a successful investment are much higher, statistically speaking. We definitely want to get away from that typical investment model where people in Australia, they'll tend to get all their investment advice from their closest family and friends. Now, as much as they care and love about you, it's fair to say that they probably are not investment experts, and they'll tend to only give advice from their anecdotal experience, which might be very limited to a few properties in their local area.
And probably in other people, they ask advice as sellers. And you don't have to ask advice from person who sells your property.
Yes.
So that's why you're on the buyer side, so you're on the side of the investor. So
That's
you
right.
help them to find proper property, which is fantastic.